From the 1950s to the late 1980s, the water supply at the Camp Lejeune Marine Corps base in North Carolina was contaminated with high levels of toxic chemicals. In response to this contamination, the federal government directed a number of public health agencies to study and evaluate the impact that this contamination had on the long-term health of Camp Lejeune residents and employees. These studies have included over 2 decades of research and testing by the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, which is a branch of the CDC, the National Research Council, and most recently a special committee of leading experts from the Institute of Medicine formed by the Veterans Administration to provide clinical guidance on health conditions that might be connected to the Camp Lejeune water supply. These public health studies identified a number of cancers and other diseases that appeared to be connected to the Camp Lejeune water. One of the diseases that was consistently found to be associated with the Lejeune water supply was multiple myeloma. Multiple myeloma is a rare type of cancer that forms in the plasma cells of the blood. There is no effective treatment for multiple myeloma, and it has a 5-year survival rate of 55%. The health studies found that individuals who were exposed to the contaminated water at Camp Lejeune had a significantly higher risk of developing this rare blood cancer, and the VA has recognized it as a health condition that is presumptively associated with Camp Lejeune. For many years, the victims of the water contamination at Camp Lejeune have been blocked from bringing civil lawsuits. Now, however, Congress is on the verge of passing a new law that will give Camp Lejeune victims the right to bring claims for their injuries. The new law also adopts a lowered burden of proof for causation. Under this revised standard, Lejeune victims with valid multiple myeloma claims should be able to easily establish causation.